Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about my 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. And here I have some Nissan Altima electric fans. And I eliminated the clutch fan that you can see down there. There's no more clutch fan. I ended up taking it out and went electric because maintenance of the vehicle here, it's just harder to get in. You have to take apart the shroud, and I decided to go electric. So you got the radiator fan, the AC fan, wired those together. It was simple. Top two wires, put them together. Bottom two wires, put them together. And the same thing with the AC fan. Top wires, put them together. Bottom wires, put them together. And then pretty much this is the ground for both of them. And then the power for the radiator and AC fan, I put them together to make one power line. So this is one power line here. I took an Amazon relay that you can see here. All this mess of wiring here. It was a cheap Amazon relay here. Comes with 4 wires. The shortest wire went to the fan. The longest wire went to power with an inline fuse, and then brown wire went to ignition, and a black wire went to thermostat. But instead of thermostat, I made it go to a little switch here. I saw another guy on YouTube use this. It's a little $10 switch. It took me a few days to get it working. So this switch here, it's labeled with a power and ground. So you know this needs its own power and ground in order to turn on. And then you need to ground out the switch. So from the black wire from the relay, you need that relay to go into the third one here, and then ground out the fourth one, and then that'll make the switch work correctly. And I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so if your switch doesn't work correctly, then swap the ground from the third or fourth and put the thermostat into the fourth one and ground into the third one. I just have everything taped up. I can't remember which place the ground is for the third and fourth position here. So pretty much I have it set to 120 right now because I have the AC. I need the AC to turn on immediately. So as soon as temperature hits 120, the fans turn on, and I have both fans on along with a third fan here for the oil cooler, and that all turns on. Now once the summer is over, I'll turn up the temperature to 190, and everything will pick up at 190, because then I won't be using the AC. But I will show you how it works here. Hit it one time, blinks, and then you move up the temperature. And you see how everything turns off. So I'm going to go back down to 120 because I have the AC on right now, and I need for it to be cool, as cool as possible. It'll blink. And then that's it. I just finally got this working. It's been a few days of me doing this little conversion. It has a sensor inside of here. I still need to get some type of cover for this. I'm not too worried though. It's only $10 online. And yeah, just wanted to give you guys a heads up on the whole conversion from eliminating the clutch fan and going electric. And this is from an Altima, and all I did was just drill out a little hole there, And then I zip tied the bottom straight through the radiator.